Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cream cauli Mirch chicken. We'll start by marinating about 1 pound of boneless chicken pieces, cut into 1.5-inch cubes. Combine them with half a cup of thick yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and a pinch of salt. Let this mixture marinate for at least 30 minutes to infuse all those wonderful flavors. This initial step is crucial for tender and flavorful chicken. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped large onion and sauté it until it turns soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, introduce the marinated chicken to the pan. Cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the chicken pieces change color and are partially cooked through. This step builds the foundational flavor. Now, let's create that signature creamy sauce. Reduce the heat to low and stir in half a cup of fresh cream along with 2 tablespoons of cashew paste, which adds a lovely richness. This is also the moment to add 1 generous teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, giving the dish its distinctive cauli Mirch flavor. Simmer the curry gently for another 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring the chicken becomes incredibly tender. To finish, garnish your beautiful cream cauli Mirch chicken with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped coriander leaves and a final, light drizzle of fresh cream for an extra touch of elegance. Serve this incredibly flavorful and creamy dish hot. It pairs wonderfully with warm naan bread, soft rotis, or fluffy steamed rice. This recipe is sure to impress your family and friends, offering a truly comforting and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.